think I can hear the sound of ice hitting crystal, which must mean it's time to head over to the bar and sample the wonderful concoctions of my resident mixologist, JJ Goodman. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it.
You ready?
I volunteer as tribute. I'll do it. JJ, this week, you've been inspired by the Great British Summertime, come rain or shine, so what are you whipping up for us?
Well, just that. So we're celebrating the best of British summer with 3 cocktails that represent my favourite sense of occasion and what to do outdoors. So we've got something for the barbecue, something for the beach, and we've got something for the picnic hamper as well.
Lovely. What are we doing first?
We're going to start with, I know, one of your favourites, which is the Whisky Sour.
It is.
It is indeed.
It is. I feel very sophisticated when I drink it, as well as it being refreshing. It's
a drink that's come back massively in the last few years too. Like, they seem to be popping up on every menu, and people are really getting into twisting them into a way that is creative but also stays true to the classic cocktail. So for this one, I've had a little touch of maple syrup, 20 ml, nice. So 20 ml of lemon juice, 50 ml of American whiskey. I've gone for a big, nice, sweet, smoky Maker's Mark. I love this bourbon. It's a great price. And because it's summer season, seasonality is important, I've picked 3 of my favourite herbs which are growing right now. And I've selected rosemary for the Whisky Sour.
So aromatic.
Yes.
I love getting a waft of rosemary in my nose as I pass a bush of it. It just feels so alive. And interesting, using bourbon. So we're saying an American whiskey because it's a barbecue over like a Scotch or anything. Yeah,
you can mix it up and match, but there's something about American whiskey that I love. It's got a little bit more sweetness to it. It's still got that smoky. It's still dry. And again, with the maple syrup, it just felt like bourbon was the right call.
Yeah. I know there's a lot of ingredients going on there. Don't worry, you can get all the cocktail recipes on Instagram, but right now...
Cheers.
We're going to have a little sip. So cheers, Eamonn.
Cheers, thank you.
Sláinte.
Smells good.
Does it matter what whiskey you use?
It varies, whatever your preference is. You know, I think it's really important people get in their cabinet and find what they've got in there. And this is a great classic sour where you can really draw down anything from whiskey to bourbon, and also even like gin to vodka too works just as well.
Delish, lovely.
It's so nice. It's so mild. Often a whiskey drink can feel like it's, you know, a smoky end of the night thing, but this feels like a lovely day drink, perfect for a barbecue.
Day, night, morning.
Day, night, it's 10 a.m. somewhere. I've got to stop saying that, it's dangerous. Right, what have we got next?
My new favourite hashtag.
I know.
Next up, we've gone for a non-alcoholic cocktail for the beach, and I thought, tongue-in-cheek, I had to pull Sex on the Beach out of the hat.
The best thing you can do on the beach.
Yeah.
Drink a cocktail called Sex on the Beach.
Yeah.
Get your minds out the gutter.
Normally, obviously, this drink uses peach schnapps, but instead, I've opened a tin of canned peaches, which I actually love that nostalgic flavour of tin peach. It substitutes perfectly. 50 ml of the tin peach syrup with some cranberry juice, a bit of citrus, and then I've used some of the Liar's pink gin just to really bring it alive with a little bit of spice and a bit of hibiscus.
Great that syrup's not going to waste from the peaches.
Well, the peaches, obviously, I'm going to sling in here as a part of the garnish too, so you've got something to jump on. And my herb of choice for this, of course, is going to be mint. Just give it a little tap, and that'll just really aerate it. And
amazing.
That is our non-alcoholic Sex on the Beach.
It's so pretty. It's non-alcoholic. That's a non-alcoholic gin there. Shall we,
Yeah.
Yeah?
We were about to have a problem.
Don't worry, that it is a non-alcoholic.
I got you, bro.
So, Nabil, cheers. Cheers.
Skull. Yeah, finally a drink that matches my personality.
That's delicious.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's lighter than a juice, and it just... Oh, fruity, and as you say, really nostalgic. Those tin peaches, I love the texture of them as well, so I'll probably be eating that later.
Yeah, perfect.
The thing is, I've never tasted alcohol in my life, so I don't know what any alcoholic beverages taste like. But if they taste like this, then it's a good thing that I don't drink, because, whoo.
That is so pretty, and it tastes... I think pretty is the word for how it tastes as well.
It's delicate and lovely.
Yeah, right. What have we got finally?
Last but not least, we're going to be going with a Sherry Spritz. I love Spritzes. They're back. They're cool again, as is Sherry. You can pick some great sherries to choose from, but I've picked an old friend that's probably sat at the back of most people's cupboards,
Yeah.
and that's Harveys Bristol Cream.
I never think of putting a sherry in a spritz? I've been so boring with just my white wine spritz on a summer's day.
Oh, sherries are fabulous. I think they're popping up in so many great, Spanish restaurants. We're around them all the time now, and we're starting to mix with them again. And they're coming up with some really fun, light, delicate, that lovely sweetness that sherry naturally has as well. The white wine, 75 mils, just to top it up. That's got natural acidity, so I haven't had to use any additional lemon juice as well, because I'm lazy like that sometimes. And then a bit of honey for sweetness, just to balance it all out. And my herb of choice, it's my favourite herb, is thyme. So I'm just going to stir a little bit of thyme through the top of here, and it's going to macerate super quickly. It's going to smell gorgeous. I've given it a nice pinch too to open it up. And then with or without, it's up to you. Straw.
That's it, easy as that. Adele.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that thyme.
You know, I didn't think I'd like a sherry. I was like, go on then, give me that one. That is delicious.
It's nice.
Yes. It's really fresh. You can taste the honey and everything. I love it.
Even at the end of this quite long straw, I can still get that waft of thyme, which is just stunning.
Yeah, it's my favourite. It really is great.
Really
good. What a treat for all the senses. You've outdone yourself.
Again?
Every single time, yes. And also, for a picnic, could we somehow transport this?
Absolutely, yeah. Most of these can be pre-mixed. I've added some soda on the top of that one. So if you want to pre-make the base, it will last certainly like 3 or 4 days. You don't need to make it that far in advance, of course.
Can't imagine it lasting 3 or 4 days.
No.
Yeah.
Just saying, not in my house.
But it's great. Just add the soda last and stir it through, and you're good to go straight away.
Take it in a jug, in your picnic basket, and have a beautiful day. Well, thank you so much, JJ. These are all delicious, as usual. And if you want to try these at home, then head over to Vick Hope's Breakfast Show on Instagram. All the recipes and details are there. But on that note, that is it for today. I have loved it. I hope you have too. Thank you, as always, for joining us on a Sunday morning. If you missed any of the show, you can catch up on the ITV Hub. Thank you so much to my guests, Nabil, Abdulrashid, Eamonn, Holmes, Adele Parks, and of course the incredible JJ Goodman. We'll be back here next Sunday with more brilliant boots, chat, and of course more delicious drinks. But for now, enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I'll see you next week. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.